like a lot of people, I was thinking more of like potentially pre-professional or pre-med. And I just slowly started to get a lot more interested in thinking that my day would be a lot different, a lot more interesting if I went in and pursued a science as opposed to, going one of the other paths. And so I kind of made a shift somewhere along my junior year where it was, I'm going to go more down this research path than the pre-professional path. Just being able to touch a lot of different topics definitely helps because you do get exposed to a lot of things. I definitely think, speech and communications, in science you have to not only write, but also communicate quite a bit. So a lot of those skills definitely, translate. A lot of the math classes, the advanced math classes that I took here are also involved, which aren't, that's, related, but, those stick with you. We opened by demand. We opened in the middle of February. So we got up and running and got some studies going. So that allowed us to get another instrument, hire another person. We're looking to double about every 6 months for the next couple of years, just because when you're small, it is easy to double. And our thing is just being able to maintain capacity because we're very time conscious. So we have to be very mindful of, we need to have the number of people and the number of equipment to support that. And the answer is yes, there are graduates here that could work for Velocity because the fundamental is the chemistry or the biochemistry, but what we do is very trainable. So they learn a lot of skills here and the knowledge and kind of, they have the foundation, but then what we're doing from a day-to-day basis, we can train them to excel in probably 3 to 6 months. Running a scientific lab in Peoria is a fraction of the cost of what it would cost for me to take and open up Velocity in Boston. There's also an incredible amount of competition in Boston, so when you have a good, solid biotech company in a place like Peoria, you're gonna be able to recruit people, and a lot of times, if you give them opportunities, then you can keep them for an employee for longer as well.